want to get a brighter, a glowing skin naturally without spending a fortune, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing my honest review about a product that changed my skincare game from 0 to 100. Now let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. My name is Joanne Theo. Welcome to another video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, it's good to have you here. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. I would really love to see your comments in the comment section. I've been using this oil for months now, and when I say this oil is good, it is good. This is one oil that is so packed with so much ingredients that will benefit your skin, that will change your skin from 0 to 100. When you go out, people will be asking you questions like, what are you using? What are you using, girl? That's the oil I'm bringing for you guys today. And you want to stick to the end of this video because I'll be sharing with you how I use this oil, the ways I use it for me to get the results that I've gotten. You see my skin, it's well blended with my face, my neck and my body are obviously the same complexion. And if you are confused, you can go and check my Instagram page. I'll leave my handle on this. I do a lot of skincare videos on my Instagram page, so you should go and check my skin then come back and compare. You can also as well go down some of my videos before I started skincare properly, before I became serious with skincare and probably self-care and all of that. You will see some of my videos that how my skin was before, basically. Trust me, if you're looking forward to get a glowy skin, to get a radiant skin, you want your skin to even from your neck down to your body, then this oil that I'm about to talk about, it goes. This is the oil I've been talking about. This is how far I have gone. I started it like 2 months ago, so this is how far I have gone. This oil is enriched with natural ingredients that will help your skin plump, glow, and just give you that brighter effect that you want and that radiant color that you want. It is enriched with vitamin C. You know that vitamin C is good. If there is any product that has vitamin C, it will help your skin just brighter. That's the effect of vitamin C. It just helps you glow effort. It's enriched with vitamin C, sweet armor, omba, or wheat gem oil. I hope I'm pronouncing that well. This combination will help you just nourish your skin, just give you that effortless glow that you want. Now, one thing I love about this oil, I love the fact that it is lightweight. It is so lightweight. So I love how lightweight it is, how non-greasy it is. It doesn't stick to the body. I love how easy it is to just absorb into your body. Now when I say it is light, are you seeing that it is so light? Like, look at that, look at, so light. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is so light, and it just absorbs into your skin just like that. It doesn't stick. Are you seeing that? It does not stick. It is not sticky. There are some, I've used some body oils in the past, and when you use it, you will be able to feel that it is sticky. You feel, I don't know how to explain it, you feel this sticky effect in it. But this body oil does not do that for me. I have not experienced it since I started using it. It doesn't stick, and it is just so easy to see. Did I even talk about the glow that it gives your skin? One of the main reasons why I'm so obsessed with the Veetgold Vitamin C Oil is because of how it brightens the skin and how it just makes my skin glow. And even at my skin to, like, I've never used any body oil that has ever done something like that for me before in the past personally. So that's why I love this Veetgold Vitamin C Oil a lot. We all know that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. When you have it in any product, just know that your skin is going to, like, it's going to shine. Using the Veetgold Vitamin C oil, you're going to glow. You are going to, people will stop you on the road. They will legitimately stop you on the road and ask you, babe, what are you using? I get that a lot. I get that a whole lot. I'm not even kidding. It is written on it. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to reduce the appearance of anti-aging. Okay, it's even out the skin too. I've said that like a countless number of times. And it helps with sunburn. If you have like sunburn here and there, it helps with hyperpigmentation as well. If you want to use it on your face, maybe you have like that spot, the Veetgold Vitamin C oil, it's also your guy. And one thing I love about it is that it has like a scratch code here for you to know if it's the original. We have so much fake in the market right now. So there's a code for you to scratch it. You just send, it is absolutely free. You just send the code to the number there, and you will get your notification. Oh, is this fake or not? So they will tell you that, oh, this is fake, or this is the original Veetgold. This is the original Veetgold Vitamin C Corrector. Another thing I love about it is that it has SPF 15 in it. Like a body oil that has an SPF, it doesn't just help you to glow, it also helps to protect your skin from the sun, from the UV ray. It also helps your. I love how they are intentional about this oil. You not just glow, but your skin will be protected. This is not an excuse for you not to use a sunscreen. This is not an excuse for you not to use a sunscreen. Please, you still need to use a sunscreen. I personally use this gold body oil twice in a day. I use it in the morning and in the evening. So I already gone ahead to mix it, and it is really light. It doesn't have like any negative effect. Use in the evening, I just turn it into this empty jar, and then I just rub it all over my body before I go to bed. Skin feels softer, has this natural glow effect. It looks healthier since I started using the Veetgold body oil corrector, and it is suitable for all skin type. Even if your skin is sensitive like mine, you can use it. So if you are looking to level your skincare game to another level, then the Veetgold body oil, it should be in your routine. We'll leave all the details in the description box. If you're interested to know all of that, check the description box, or you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this video a lot, do not forget to like the video, leave me a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel for more skincare products reviews, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay glowing, stay beautiful, and keep healthy.